In this video, you will learn how to insert page number in Word from specific page. Currently, you can see here I have a Word document and I am interested to insert page number from specific page. So let's start this video. Firstly, open your Word document and I will show you how to insert page number. Go to Insert tab and here you will find the option of page number. Select this one. You will find different options. You can select page number on the top of page, bottom of page, page margin as well as current position. I will choose top of page and here you will find different option. I will select middle position, select this one. Now you can see here we have successfully inserted page number. Currently you can see here, if you are not interested to insert page number on cover page, you can select this option which is the different first page option. If I deselect this one, you will observe that page number will be inserted on first page, and if I am not interested to insert page number on this cover page, so I will select this one which is the different first page. Now you can see here this is our first page and this one our second page. Now I will start page numbering from second page. I will insert page number first on this page. What I will do, go to header and footer option after inserting page number. And here you will find the option of page number. Select this one and here is the option of format page numbers. Choose this option. Now you will find the option of start at. Instead of 1 I will choose 0. Click on OK. Now see the result. Cover page has no page number. If I scroll down, second page is marked with 1 page number. Now you will learn how to start page numbering from third page. Currently you can see here this one is our first page, this one our second page and this one is our third page. For that purpose this method will not work. Now we will insert section break. For example, I want to insert page numbering from third page. So I will click here at the end of second page. After doing that, go to layout option and here you will find the option of break. Select this one. And from here choose section break, next page. I have successfully inserted break. Now go to home tab and here you will find the option of show height. Select this one. Here you can see here we have successfully inserted section break. I will deselect this option. Go to cover page. It did not contain any numbering. And this one is our second page which contain number 2. Similarly this one is our third page and it is separate section, so it is numbered as 1 and it is numbered as 2. If I double click on this page number or header, here you can see here it is the header of section 1. If I scroll down, here you can observe that this one is the header of section 2. So Microsoft Word will start page numbering 1 from each separate section. Close this header. Move to section 2. This one is our section 2. And select page number. Double click here. After selecting page number, deselect this option which is the link to previous. Now I have delinked the section 2 from section 1 and here is the option of different page number. I will deselect this one. Now I will scroll up. This one was our third page and it is numbered as 1. Now if I move to section 1, page number is also inserted in section 1. I don't want page number on first 2 pages. I will select this one, click on section 1 page number of any page and go to page number option. From here you will find the option of remove page number. I will simply remove page number from first section. Now our task is completed. This one is our first page, this one is our second page. Both pages do not have any page number. And this one our third page and it is numbered as 1. This one numbered as 2, number 3. So by using this technique you can easily inserted page number in Microsoft Word document from a specific page. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.